Welcome to an in depth exploration of supply and demand trading, a powerful strategy that's been gaining attention for its unique approach to understanding the markets. In this video, we'll uncover what supply and demand trading is and why it often stands out over other trading methods and strategies. Supply and demand trading is a strategy that's so dear to me. It has given me the required edge to succeed as a trader. I have been trading this unique strategy for more than a decade now, and I can proudly say that there would be only a handful of mentors who would know this strategy as in depth as I do. So, what I love about this strategy is that it's so simple yet so powerful and very versatile. It works across asset classes and time frames. So, whether you trade stocks, futures, commodities, forex, whether you're trading intraday, swing, positional, same strategy is applicable. Most conventional trading strategies rely on complex lagging indicators, oscillators, algorithms, and predictions. These can be overwhelming and very inconsistent. Supply and demand trading simplifies things. Instead of deciphering numerous complex indicators, it focuses on reading plain price charts to identify areas of imbalance which are formed due to institutional buying and selling activity. So these areas are also known as supply and demand zones. So these zones act like magnets, attracting price to them. When price reaches a demand zone, it tends to reverse and move upwards. Conversely, when it reaches a supply zone, it often reverses downwards. So, as a supply and demand trader, one needs to time the trades as per these zones. In doing so, it ensures that we trade along with the institutions, which enhances the probability of the trades working in our favor. Let's have a look at some of the trades we have executed as per this strategy. Conventional technical strategies tend to be inconsistent and often overcomplicate trading. Supply and demand trading keeps it simple, straightforward, and helps traders to participate along with the big institutions. It is important to know that while supply and demand trading is powerful, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Success requires patience, practice, and most importantly, continuous learning. So, if you want to learn deeper about supply and demand trading, you must click the link below and join our upcoming workshop, where I'll be sharing with you the practical nuances of this very powerful trading strategy. Best wishes for your trading journey, and I'm looking forward to seeing you live in the workshop.